Hey everybody, it is Sunday, and that means Wyatt and I are here to kick off another What I Wore video. Right, buddy? Right. So, today, my son has a hockey game. We have errands to run, have to go to my parents' house, lots of stuff to do. So, I have on a pair of Dolce Vita boots, can jeans, a sweater from the loft, and I'm going to wear my fur jacket that I just got from my Stitch Fix. You ready? He keeps wanting to give me kisses. So here's my outfit for Sunday. All right. Oops. You almost didn't make it to the couch. So, very simple, basic, but cute layering sweater from the loft. Has the little notches on the side and a light gray and dark gray stripe. These are can jeans from Buckle, which is one of their less expensive jeans, and they're super comfortable when I like them. And I have on Wyatt. Dude. And then I have on these Dolce Vita boots that are in this nice purple color, which just so happen to match my fur coat. This faux fur coat that I just got in my last Stitch Fix, and this happens to be the only item I actually ended up keeping from my last fix. So this is my outfit for Sunday. All right, so I hope everyone has an awesome start to their week, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everybody. It is Monday morning, and I am here for outfit of the day. So, Wyatt, can you say hi? Can you tell everybody hi? Cena's here, too. I'm getting ready to get in the car. It is work week for me and a travel week, so I'm going to hurry up and make this a quick one. I'm in comfy clothes, but work appropriate at the same time, and I have on a cardigan from the loft, a pair of leggings in this really nice plum color from Liverpool that I got in Stitch Fix, the cardigans from Loft. I have a long sleeve t-shirt from Banana Republic that I got a long time ago and has like ruching on the side, and a pair of booties that I think are Dolce Vita that I got in one of my hauls, and it is from Nordstrom Rack. So here's my outfit for Monday. You can see this little t-shirt has like this ruching on the side, which is just a basic layering piece. And I didn't put any crazy jewelry on today just because I'm going to be in the car and traveling, and sometimes that's a pain. But I kind of wish I had a long necklace on, so maybe I need to go find one. But yeah, this is my outfit for Monday. I love these booties. They're cute. They were a good find at Nordstrom Rack. They're a really pretty gray color. And I'm really liking these plum leggings, too, that are Liverpool. But I do like Liverpool. Hope everyone has a great Monday. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Tuesday morning and I am in my hotel room. So I'm not sure how this lighting is going to work, but we'll do our best to get outfit of the day. I have on a pair of Liverpool plaid leggings, my Born black booties. I have on my top from my last White House Black Market haul. It's just the cranberry colored t-shirt and the coated jacket from that same haul. And for my coat, I'm just going to wear my black long moto coat from one of my loft hauls. So here's my outfit of the day for Tuesday. So I love these plaid leggings from Liverpool that were in, I believe it was my mix and match box, right? So I am loving these pants, and I have it on with, I tucked in this little t-shirt that I got. I love it as a layering tee from White House Black Market with the coated jacket. I think that's super cute. And I just put on a long necklace so that to dress up the t-shirt a little bit. And I put it on with a pair of black boots that I know are comfortable for all day. So I'm in the office all day. Yeah, and I tucked in the shirt because I didn't like it out. It didn't seem to look right. And this is my outfit for Tuesday. It is cold out, so I am putting on my coat. Hope everyone has a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everybody. It is Wednesday morning. I had to think about it for a minute. And I am bringing you outfit of the day from my hotel room. I mentioned last week I was having pain on my right side. It's getting a little bit better. I think I just might have overdid it last week. So heating pad, Advil, it's getting slightly better, so no worries. So today I am wearing a sweater from the Loft, from my mega haul, and jeans that are cut from the cloth from a Wantable, and Steve Madden booties. And I'm going to put on my blanket scarf because it does get a little bit cold. And I have a Z Supply jacket also from one of my Wantables. I don't think it was the last one, maybe, I'm not sure. But here is my outfit for Wednesday. So this was the tan sweater with the little zippers on the side, which I think is super cute. And my cut from the cloth jeans. These are ones I actually had to size down in, so I did get them. And I like them, no distressing. They're very cute. And I'm going to wear my blanket scarf because it's been cold. It is supposed to be a little bit warmer today, so hopefully it does get warm, but it is only 21 degrees outside right now. So, pretty cold. And I brought this little Z Supply coatigan to put over top. To complete my outfit. And that should do it. So, this is my outfit for Wednesday. I have a long day, so I wanted to pick all soft, comfy clothes for today because I'm working all day and then I'm driving home. All right. So I hope you guys all have a awesome Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi everybody, it is Thursday. I'm here for outfit of the day. I am back home and my sidekicks are with me. Zena says hi. Wyatt, can you say hi? His tail twitched. So, today I am wearing my camo jacket that I got in my last trend send. I have on my Old Navy Luxe long sleeve v-neck tee from my last shopping haul, and the Articles of Society jeans that were also in my trend send. I love them. And a pair of Maya boots that are like a greenish olive lace up that I really like. So Zena's wide awake because she knows there's treats in the room, so she's caught on pretty quickly here. Wyatt's oblivious as usual. So let me share my outfit for Thursday. So this t-shirt is a one of the Luxe regular v-neck tees from Old Navy. It has the little t-shirt hem, super cute. And I have on this very nice camo jacket that I got my last trend send, which I am in love with. And they did price adjust it because it was on sale, and then it was on sale again. And then I had the 20% off referral credit, so it was really cool because I felt like I got like a triple dip with this jacket, so I love it. And this Sherpa piece buttons right off, so I can take that off as well, which I really like. So I'm really liking this jacket. And then I have on these Articles of Society jeans, which have a nice dark wash, and a pair of Maya boots that they zip on the side and then they lace up in the front as well. And they have a nice heel, so I'd say this is what, 2.5, maybe 3 inches, but these are actually very comfortable boots. So this is my outfit for Thursday. So if everyone is having a good one, and I will see you tomorrow for Friday. Bye, everybody. Hi, everybody. It is Friday, finally, the Friday before Christmas. Wyatt and I are here for Outfit of the Day. And I am feeling kind of, I don't know what the right word is, tired, I guess. And I didn't feel like getting too fancy today. I have a hockey game for my son right after work today, and I have errands to run because, you know, it's that time of year. So I have on my Born burgundy boots, a burgundy halogen tank top, and that thick cardigan from the Loft from my shopping haul because it's warm and cozy. Why it's like stiff as a board, like sitting on my leg like this. He's so funny. Like, look at him. He's just like stiff. You're a goofball. Yeah, and I have a pair of Express jeans on. My necklace is from one of my Rachel Zoe boxes. I really like this necklace. I think I wore it yesterday too. So I had it out. It was easy. And my earrings are from the Loft. And I'm probably going to have to wear a jacket when I go in the rink, but I haven't figured out what that will be. The rink's kind of warm. And it's going to be, I think it's going to be like 50 today, but it's rain. Rain like all day long, right? Yep. All right, so here is my outfit for Friday. I don't know why he makes me laugh. He's just such a goofball. And he's like this like all the time. He's such a goofball. All right. So this is the cardigan that has that like the fur on the sweater type of print that makes the leopard print, which is so soft. It's nice and thick. And then I have this super long tank on, but it's just a halogen tank. And I have on these jeans, like I said, from Express. My Born boots. Yeah, super easy, comfortable today. And maybe I'll just put a scarf on because the rink we're going to isn't really that cold. Yeah, it's supposed to be a high 51, so I might be okay. So that's my outfit for Friday. So I hope everyone has an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow for Saturday. Bye. Hi, everybody. It is Saturday, and I'm bringing you Outfit of the Day. I have no sleepy sidekicks with me today because I am in a hurry. I am late for breakfast with my friend. I have a hockey game. Then we have Christmas at my sister-in-law's, so it's a mad dash today. But I want to make sure I capture an Outfit of the Day for you. I have on a pair of Vince Camuto booties. They're these awesome high wedge booties that make you feel really tall that I got at Nordstrom on sale quite a long time ago. A pair of blank NYC jeans. They're gray wash that I think I got in a wantable, I think. I have on this sweater with a cute little sleeve detail from my Loft Mega Haul. And I'm going to put on the matching scarf to go to the rink. And I have a pink faux fur coat that I'm going to wear that I got on sale from Rachel Roy. So here is my outfit for Saturday. So I like these. It's a light wash denim jean and this sweater with the cute little sleeves. And these are my boots. So awesome wedge on these that does make me probably about 4 inches taller. So I do like them, and they're actually not bad to wear all day. And I do have the scarf. that matches these sleeves. And I got this awesome coat because I had to return the one I got from Target because it had the defective lining. So I found this one on sale from Rachel Roy. That's a little bit heavier, so it'll be nicer for the rink, and has these awesome pockets. It's a little bit longer, and it like snaps closed. So it actually has a closure. The Target one did not. So it has these awesome snaps here, and there's one on the inside as well. So this is my outfit for Saturday. So I hope everyone has an awesome, awesome Saturday. This wraps up this week's What I Wore video. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Please consider hitting that like. I would love if you would subscribe to my channel and show me some support. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. Till next time, everyone, have a great one. Bye.